What up, boys? I'm back. Shut up, birds. I'm back.
This video is made by
Last test drive was quite nice, but of course it's kind of a little bit crappy not being able to see the water temperature, so I got a new temperature gauge for it. Whole €5 spent. It works, and I don't know how to put it in here. It's just a hole in a metal sheet, and it kind of joins up like this, so I kind of confused on that. But what I also need to do is change the oil that's in here, because last time I couldn't drain all of it. Okay, I filled up the oil. It actually didn't take that much oil and then we take some tomato sauce or something and lid and put it on. Yeah, easy peasy. And now we can actually try to install the gauge for the temperature. What the hell happened here? I need to like remove this console bit and switch this out. Like, look at this. This don't make no sense, man. Maybe it was supposed to be like this or something. And that would make sense for this hole to have wires through it. Okay, that's what we got. Right. Okay, I removed all the screws, all the nuts, the little plates that go on the bottom and on the top. Bruh. Focus. But like in the middle it's not too bad, but in the sides you see. Okay, boys. Yesterday I pulled apart the radiator, so we can actually clean it now. Yeah, it'll be nice to have a pressure washer or something. God damn, this is the closest thing I got to a pressure washer. I'm gonna attach this so I can clean out these like that. It's gonna hopefully make it a little easier to clean these thingies, because I tried to use like this wire. I couldn't because it just doesn't really slide. It is now raining. Okay, I kind of semi-cleaned the radiator. Still got quite a bit of oil on it, but at least there's actual, good flow through the middle at least. The sides just kind of have too much oil for me to clean. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace the radiator in the future, because like this is not an ideal situation here. I closed off two of these channels. I just kind of hammered them down. Well, I bent them over and I hammered them down, so now they shouldn't leak. Okay, I replaced all the washers here. Just wanted to add that I did actually replace these because they were leaking on the second and third cylinder. Yo guys, check out what I found, guys. It's the work hour meter. 3,233 work hours. Yo, next day. The radiator is clean. I blocked off two of the leaking channels. Hopefully no more leaks. I got new gaskets. I cleaned off these ones, although they're still kind of like laid inside with a bit of oil, so I'm gonna have to get some sort of a oil thinner chemical and flush that through the system, because I believe there's a fair bit of oil in the actual engine as well. Okay, this is gonna take a good while. I think I'm not gonna film this, but it's actually pretty straightforward. That's the first half done. This I film. Kun tutebļa man seko.
Jop, твою мать, filmā!
Максим, машина. Так я ловлю.
Back at it again with the Opelis, бля. Ёб твою мать. What is you doing, бля? What is you doing, бля? Easy. Нормально. Okay lads, we put on the mower. It's kind of raining, so we're not gonna mow today. And yeah, we have to put on new blades. I washed the windows a bit cleaner. The engine's running just fine, not overheating, but there is an oil, bit of a leak here, and also here. That's not very good. I don't know where that's coming from even. Oh yeah, I actually put a bit of dishwashing soap in the coolant I was using. Let's check for any leaks. Nope, no leaks here. The radiator is not that warm actually, especially not anymore. That is definitely not clean water. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna drain it all out.
Башку всем тут нахуй сносят.